Flavor enhanced indoors. Water just might be the secret ingredient. This is garden sage, commonly used as a seasoning in meats, soups, and salads. These plants are cultivated under greenhouse lights at UT's AGRESEARCH Center in Jackson, where crop physiologist AVAT SHEKOOFA is testing two varieties of sage.
Both of them, they are saving a high amount of water compared to other like row crops.
Water usage is key in this experiment. Teaming with food scientists, AGRESearchers look to gain a better understanding of how water deficit stress might impact the flavor of sage. Logically, you might think more water, better taste, but not necessarily. The goal is to conserve water and still produce a great tasting product.
You know, it's very important for like industry, like sausage industry, meat industry, to use this sage to change the taste and flavor of meat. So if we can figure it out, the one that has saving more water and we need less water to apply, it's a like win-win, right?
The Herb project focused on levels of water use, high, low, or somewhere in between. UTIA also has research about the soil's ability to hold water and how introducing another element might help there.
It's probably 3 to 6 tons, and you can see the response with the plants.
Soil scientist Forbes Walker compares rows of soybeans at UT's Milan AGRESearch Center. The black substance is biochar, produced at this gasification plant in Lebanon, where wood chips and waste that would have gone into a landfill can be made into this product. Does biochar, so named because it resembles charcoal, have an impact in agriculture? These rows were planted at the same time, with biochar this high, without this high. Walker says biochar helps the soil increase its water holding capacity.
We've added here 5 different rates of biochar, and we're looking at the crop response to these 5 different rates of biochar. And as you can see, we are getting some quite good responses. I think some of the initial responses we see is because of that increased water holding capacity of the soil. We see quicker germination, so the crop establishes quicker.
Walker says the difference in plants with biochar could be even greater in years with little rain. Meantime, SHEKOOFA is doing similar work now with moisture levels and indoor soybeans. These projects are about growing food with just the right amount of water, and hopefully that's less water. This is Charles Denny reporting.